Hey, Mark, you know, the Casey Cattle Company formed as a tribute to an Army Ranger who was killed in combat back in 2011. Jeremy Katzenberger was Patrick Montgomery's brother-in-law, and they served together in the 1st Ranger Battalion. When Montgomery got out of the Army, he decided to honor his brother-in-law's memory by raising Wagyu cattle on a peaceful farm here near Weston. Montgomery raises the docile breed, which is known for its flavorful steaks, but he also found that the work here helped other veterans find purpose in their lives.
I found the peace from starting this business, and as I started to bring more veterans out here, I kind of saw the same type of healing power that this place brings to other veterans. And now it's kind of like, well, why don't we hire everybody that is having those same issues and want to either get into agriculture or just looking for that next step in life.
Now, the Parkville native says studies show the Japanese breed of beef cattle may be healthier in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids than other red meat. His online business ships cuts of beef to consumers across the nation, and all of the orders are handled by a staff made up solely of veterans. Montgomery also makes sure that a portion of his sales are donated to veteran foundations, including War Horses for Veterans, which is based in the metro area. John Pepitone, Fox 4 News.
Have you ever had Wagyu beef?
I have never tasted it. Have you, Mark?
It is unbelievable, yes. Thank you.